In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack QR code. Let's dive into the process, which is quite simple and can be wrapped up in just a few minutes. First things first, let's head over to the Slack website. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Slack login page. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can enter your email address and password, or if you prefer, use your Google or Apple account for a quicker sign-in process. Once you've successfully logged in and are on your Slack workspace, look for the option that says Invite People. Usually, you can find this option in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and this will open up a new window where you can see different options for inviting new members to your Slack workspace. Now, focus on the Copy Invite Link button. Go ahead and give that a click. This action will copy a unique invitation link to your clipboard, which is crucial for creating the QR code. With this link copied, the next step involves searching for an online QR code generator. There are many available. Just enter QR code generator in your search engine, and you'll find plenty of options. Choose one that you find easy to navigate and reliable. For our demonstration, we'll assume you're using a generator that supports creating QR codes for website URLs. Once you've selected your QR code generator, look for the option to generate a code for a website URL, which is perfect for what we're aiming to do here. Click on that, and you should see a field where you can enter information. Paste the Slack invite link that you copied earlier into the designated field for the website URL. Some QR code generators might also include an option to label or name your QR code. Use this feature if you want to give the QR code an easily recognizable name, but it is entirely optional. Many QR code generators out there provide design customization options, allowing you to add colors, logos, or other elements to personalize your QR code. If the generator you've chosen provides these options, feel free to explore them. Customizing can be a nice touch if you plan to share the QR code within a branded environment, or simply want it to stand out. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, look for the Finish button or equivalent. Clicking on this will complete the QR code creation process. Your QR code is now ready to be shared and scanned by those you wish to invite to your Slack workspace. And that's it. Now you have a convenient QR code that directly links to your Slack invitation. Feel free to use it for easy sharing across your team or organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.